In one of my last videos, in which I explained colors our human eye can see even though they don't really exist, I was asked, blue and red light waves create magenta? I thought blue and red always make purple. That's not wrong. If you take a classic blue paint and a classic red paint, you get a purplish color. But take a light blue and mix it with that exact same red, you get something more pinkish or more magenta-ish. And this is one thing a lot of people overlook. When we say blue, we are not talking about one single wavelength, we are talking about a whole range, roughly 450 to 485 nanometers, which we have simply labeled blue. Same thing goes for every color. So mixing a 700 nanometer red with a 450 nanometer blue gives you a very different result than mixing the same red with a 485 nanometer blue, which is pushing towards cyan. Same names, completely different outcome. And paint makes this even messier because you can't recreate every single wavelength using chemicals. Every paint color is a rough approximation, a chemical mixture that absorbs certain wavelengths and reflects a broad range of others. On top of that, the thickness of the paint, the surface underneath it, and even the lighting in a room all change what your eye actually perceives. But despite all that, yeah, you can still mix yourself a pretty convincing magenta with paint.